Hello everyone. It is Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to be sharing with you something I thought that was just a little neat idea, and I will show you at the end basically how it will tie in. So I saw this video on YouTube basically that just demonstrated how you could actually create a card matting, like one of your mattings for your card. In other words, it will be something like this. Basically, that's what we're creating today. Just the piece that goes on top your card base. And this is just a random color. It's not anything, I'm not going to be using that, but I just wanted to show you exactly what I was trying to do. Basically, it's creating a matching set. So you're going to have a bookmark and a mat, basically. So I saw this idea again. This is not an original idea, but I'm going to try it out with you guys. And if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, do expect a video every Sunday. And thank you for those of you who have subscribed and supported me. I truly appreciate that. So let's go ahead and begin. These were just white pieces from my scrap pile. So basically, this was a good size for bookmark, and I have quite a few of those. And this was a piece that kind of got the, like squished in the end from a previous card that I wanted to make. So I just cut it out. What I basically did was I colored both of them with distress ink. This is Peacock Feathers. This is by Tim Holtz. I'm sorry, this is Ranger. Yeah, so well, Ranger is Tim Holtz, I see here. Yeah, same person. Okay, so I went ahead and used my distress ink, and I just kind of went over the white and just gave it a little color. Then I had those just those pieces of, like here. I have a whole bunch of those that I'm trying to utilize. So I use those so I can create some circles here. And I already have my sentiment stamped out, and I just put a little piece of black strip behind. So I created two because I'm going to be doing the matching sets. I used these circular die cuts here to do the circles on my Cuttlebug. I just used this one just to kind of the scalloped one, just to kind of offset the the routine of the circle. And let's see what else. I think that's about it. Now there's a trick I'm going to do in the end that I'm going to show you, which I think is really neat. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll start with the bookmark. I was messing around with it a little previously, so that I can wonder how I set them up. So I'm just going to go ahead and set those up, and I will show you how I wanted them to be. So I'm kind of making sure they are matching before I stick them on. Okay, so basically I'm going to be doing this one this way. Okay, if you can see this, I will go ahead and get everything stuck on. But again, I'm kind of going to put them close. I just wanted to get them in some kind of a pattern or order. Nothing fancy, so that I can get them stuck on. Okay, I am back. So just so you see here, I have created the first one, which is the bookmark. What I will also do, I believe I would want to use my edging here. I have a decorative scissors. I'm just going to go ahead and just snip on both sides just for a little pattern. But I'm going to cut one a little higher. Let's see. Oh, all right. So I'm going to just get this cut here. Looks like my scissors. Oops. Okay. All right. So it kind of messed up a little bit here, but that's okay. So this is going to be the bookmark. I am also going to punch a hole in here. Oh, no, I'll not punch it yet. I think I'll wait. So I have Celebrate Every Day. And now I'm going to go ahead and work on the mat itself. Now this one, I am kind of just going to be playing around with this a little bit, just so that I can you know, get some sort of something going on this one. Okay, so I kind of have a pattern going here. I will go ahead and get those stuck, and then we will see what the end result is. Okay, so I have a little something going on here, just a whole bunch of circles, no, you know, no fancy smanchy anything. I'm just, you know, working with it. So I'm going to try to run this through my laminating machine. Let's keep our fingers crossed, because I'm not sure if it will go through, but I'm going to try. Okay, so while I'm working on this, let's run this. Okay, so now I'm going to get my cutting board and I'm going to chop this down just a little more now, so it makes a little more sense. Yep, it looks like it's going through really nicely. So I'm going to chop this down a little bit so it looks a little more attractive, basically. Now we have this right now, so as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. I'm just going to go ahead and just, you know, stick this really anywhere, anyhow, nothing, you know, fancy on this one. So let me go ahead and get this stuck. My jumbo slider, this one is the Easy Runner Grand tape slider, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to put this, I kind of want to slant it. I don't want it to just be, okay, so we'll have this like that. Okay, so we have this one here, which is for that part. So again, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at having it, you know, just as we can either stick it far left, however you want to do it, you know, it's up to you, or you can centralize it. It just depends on what look you want. So this would be the matting for that. And let's take a look. I'm just going to run it through just really quickly one more time through the laminating machine, and then when I'm done, I'm going to do the final touches on the bookmark, and you will see what it comes out as. I'm going to now get my cutter again so that I can just trim this off. So as you can see, it's laminated. I think it's kind of cute. It makes it look a lot more attractive when it's laminated. So keep that in mind. I mean, if you can, it's not necessarily a must, but it does do something different. Just want to make sure I have it. Okay, I'm going to cut off just a little bit more. Okay. Okay. All right, so here is the bookmark, and I'm going to do one more thing here, and then we will be done. I'm going to put so this is a fun up here. Okay, so I have the hole up here, and now I'm going to use, you know, just a bit of string, if I can find it. Okay, this is one of those I shall use. Just really simple. I'm going to stick it in here. Now you can get a little creative and maybe put some, you know, those beads for the hair. You can get, you know, just a few of those and maybe attach it. Oops. But this, I think, is a really neat idea that you could, you know, look at. Okay, so there you go. So here you have a matching set. So tell me what you think. And of course, if you want to try it out yourself, you may not have the laminating machine. I just happen to have it. And I thought this would preserve the bookmark better. And of course, you have the matting for your card. So in that way, you can either choose to put the, you know, like maybe put the person's name in here if you want to. You can handwrite it if you want. It's not anything, you know, it doesn't have to be a stamp. You can handwrite the name in place of the sentiment, you know, just anything that you would like to do. Okay, so I hope you do enjoy this video. Again, if you do, give this a thumbs up, and if you have any ideas that you would like to share, I will be happy to hear about those, and you know, we can continue to play. Again, this is scrap month because I'm working on utilizing and finding things to do with all the scraps that I have built up, and this is one of the things that I was able to do. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you next week. Have a safe and blessed upcoming week. Bye bye.